The currency of leadership is trustworthiness, which is made up of character and competence. People allow leadership to lead when they are trustworthy, meaning they have the experience when and how to use tools to navigate where they are to where they're going. Leadership is made up of 1, understanding the why, vision, strategy, and goals. It's also about number 2, how are we going to achieve the why? Process, organization, team, structure. Number 3 is how do we measure progress? Metrics, results, what gets measured gets done. What are we rewarding? They're measuring it, so it must be important. Number 4, what is it like to work around here? Culture, behavior, values. Leadership has to model the behavior, how the team behaves, and what it's like to work around here. That's what leadership needs to do. Develop the above leadership framework and set the team free. The organization can't reach its potential if you don't allow the team to reach their potential. Leadership is a choice. Sometimes tough, critiqued, resisted. Choose to lead. Change the order of things. Unlock the potential of others. So if you need help managing your team simply and easily, or looking for some smart tech solutions to support your HR so you can take back control of your strategy and navigate this post-COVID recession, check out our consultancy website, cornerstonesolutions.co.nz or provide.nz. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. If you're a baby boomer business owner or a business owner preparing your business for sale or have any questions about this video, leave a comment below, contact us, let's have a conversation. Thank you for watching.